Today, I've got, get the focus target down, well, got a new camera. Maybe it's tell by the new resolution. So, today's video is about a new, well, my collection basically. So this first off what I have in my crate. So, first thing we have is a Honeywell IS2535 motion detector. This is standard passive infrared detector. So I'll put that to the side. The detector is a Honeywell, let me check, let me see what the model number is. It's a Honeywell Duotech 7435. The inside, if you want, the whole video is about the inside of the detectors, but yeah. Next detector I have is a Ademco 998. This one had smoky issues. This one, oops. And this is what happens when you have a detector that happened to lightning strike. All burned, marked up, and damaged. It's not bad. Next we have a DSC 600 branded by ADT. We have a Ademco 650. Say 650 detector, multi-zone. Here is a Ademco 651 long range, and there's a bracket on it. We have a Aritech DR553. Now let's get two keypads. We got a Security Command Executive Series. I had this for ages. I broke the back plate though. I have another one of these for sale. I have a Ademco 650 AT keypad. I have a DSC Maxis keypad, which just came from the same this detector. I got a couple other things with that lot as well. I have a Ademco wireless board. I have a Bluegrass Electronics glass break detector. Doesn't work with a wire. Pitway transfer for a Ademco Vista 10. Now, here's another thing we have. This box. This box is my top secret security, well, small parts box. So let's open it up. The box empty. The first thing we have is a Ademco 9-inch door cord. There's two wires. You have a Ademco 7939, brand new.